For some of the most beautiful beaches in Mexico, join us as we count down our top 10 best beaches in Oaxaca.
Hey guys, two gay expats here. I'm Andy.
And I'm Trey, and today we are taking you to some of our favorite beaches on the Oaxaca coast, from Puerto Escondido to Huatulco.
Located on the southern Pacific coast of Mexico, the rugged Oaxaca coast has some of the most dramatic landscapes and best beaches in Mexico.
Let's roll the tape to see some of these amazing beaches.
We start our countdown in the city of Puerto Escondido, which is one of the main gateways to the Oaxaca coast and a popular beach destination in its own right. Puerto Escondido is home to numerous beaches, including Playa Bacocho, number 10 on our countdown of the best beaches in Oaxaca. Playa Bacocho is known locally as an important turtle nesting site. As such, it's easily the best place to come to release your own baby turtle. Tell any taxi driver Liberación de Tortugas or turtle release and they will bring you here. Every day there are turtles born, the conservation team will release them just before sunset each night. Local kids throw sand at the seagulls to give these babies a fighting chance to make it to the water. It's a nail-biting but thrilling experience.
For our next beach, we're taking you to the most famous beach in Puerto Escondido. Coming in at number 9 is Playa Zicatela, the best beach for surfing in Mexico. It's affectionately known as the Mexican Pipeline. On this beach, you will find dozens, if not hundreds of guys and girls heading out to surf from sunrise to sunset. The waves here are huge, so this beach is best for intermediate to advanced surfers. Given its international popularity, you'll also find plenty of accommodations, restaurants, bars, and beach clubs to suit all tastes and price points. Our favorite place to watch all the action is from Caña Brava, an elevated restaurant and bar in the middle of it all.
For the best beach for beginner surfers and best pet-friendly beach, head to number 8 on our countdown in nearby La Punta. La Punta is at the southernmost point of Zicatela Beach. We love the relaxed, chill vibe here. Every evening, La Punta is perhaps the most popular beach for sunset in Puerto Escondido. On the busy main street just off the beach, La Punta offers a lively restaurant and bar scene. Here, you will find international cuisine from Asian to Italian to Mexican and everything in between. They even have a popular food truck park with live music.
Making our way down the coast, about an hour from Puerto Escondido, we arrive at the best beach to witness tens of thousands of turtles nesting. At number 7 on our countdown, we are in awe when we step foot on Playa Escobilla. This untouched natural beauty is home to one of the few beaches in the world with mass migrations of tens of thousands of turtles. Turtles return to their place of birth about 4 times per mating season to lay eggs, which explains why these moms look so tired.
Continuing our way down the Oaxaca coast, we arrive by boat to number 6 on our list. Playa Maguey, which means agave for the green color of the water, is our pick for the best beach for families on the Oaxaca coast. Located in the bays of Huatulco, this particular beach is thankfully protected by land and rocks from the ocean's waves. As such, the waters here are not only beautiful, but calm. The white sand beach is also super soft. For activities, this well-serviced beach offers numerous local restaurants serving delicious Mexican food. Our captain takes us to his favorite restaurant, La Gaviota, where we enjoy cold drinks and seafood under a shaded palapa. After lunch, you can swim, sunbathe, or even stand up paddleboard.
Returning to Puerto Escondido from Huatulco, we have too many superlatives for our next beach. At number 5, the dazzling Playa Carrizalillo is a postcard perfect beach and our pick for the most beautiful beach in Puerto Escondido. It's also the most swimmable beach in town with calm, gorgeous turquoise waters. To reach this beach, though, you must walk down about 160 steps, or alternatively, you can enjoy amazing views of this beach from above at the iconic Espadine restaurant. We recommend starting here for lunch and then enjoying a beautiful swim afterwards.
If 160 steps are not enough exercise for you, you're going to love number 4 on our countdown, Playa Mermejita and Punta Cometa, the latter of which offers the best hiking on the Oaxaca coast. It's also the southernmost point in the state of Oaxaca. Located in the beach town of Mazunte, we recommend starting with a day pass at El Copal or late afternoon cocktails and appetizers at a minimum. This stunning hotel offers a bird's eye view of unspoiled Playa Mermejita. We also absolutely love the view over the beach to La Ventanilla or the little window in the distance. If you haven't heard of or been to La Ventanilla, definitely check out our video of this ecotourism must-visit destination. In La Ventanilla, you will see some of the hundreds of crocodiles that live here as you explore the lagoon by rowboat. We'll add a link to these amazing ecotours in La Ventanilla in the description below.
After enjoying your afternoon at El Copal, it's time to begin the hike to Punta Cometa just before sunset. There are numerous trails, rocks, beaches, and more to discover. Hundreds of locals and tourists make the journey here each night for panoramic sunsets.
For number 3 on our countdown of the best beaches in Oaxaca, we're taking you to Zipolite, Mexico's first legal nude beach. You don't technically have to be naked on this beach, but why not if you made the effort to get to this remote location? We've spent many months living here over the past 2 years. It's truly a magical place. If you don't do anything else, we highly recommend making a stop at El Alquimista for lunch or dinner. It's our favorite luxury beach hotel in Zipolite. Again, we've made numerous videos specifically about Zipolite, so if you're interested in learning more about our favorite beach town in Mexico, check out the links in the description below.
As we get closer to revealing the best beach in Oaxaca, we're now just one beach away, and it's one of our favorites in the world. For number 2 on our list and the best gay beach in Oaxaca and quite possibly Mexico, don't miss Playa del Amor, the beach of love. Located on the other side of the rocks on the far east side of Playa Zipolite, this small beach comes alive at sunset. We've met people from all over the world who come here nightly to swim naked, socialize, and enjoy spectacular sunsets overlooking the Pacific Ocean.
Well, you've made it to the end of our countdown of the best beaches in Oaxaca. For our number 1 beach, the best beach in Oaxaca, hire a boat in Huatulco to discover Playa Cacaluta. It's just one of 36 incredible white sandy beaches in the 9 gorgeous and secluded bays of Huatulco. This remote beach also starred in Y Tu Mama Tambien, a brilliant film with the very talented actors Gael Garcia Bernal and Diego Luna. An added benefit is that you'll most likely have this beach all to yourself on arrival. As we bask in the sun looking over to the rock island offshore, it's spectacular that such a pristine beauty still exists. Hopefully Playa Cacaluta remains unspoiled for many years to come.
Lastly, as a bonus beach, we are filming today at Playa Camarón, a small secluded cove near Zipolite. It's another beach you are very likely to have all to yourself, which we love.
Well, that's it for our countdown of the top 10 best beaches in Oaxaca.
It would also be awesome if you could smash that like button and subscribe to our channel here on YouTube. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Hasta luego.